I am Raymond of Peñaport, born in 1175 in Catalonia, Spain. I've been devoted to the Blessed Virgin Mother since I was a child, and I am so close to God that I gave up all my honors to join the Dominicans. I restored the lost faith and converted many people to Christianity. I am Raymond of Peñafort, revered as a saint in Catholic Church and is the patron saint of canon lawyers.